Welcome to another video on my driving robot discovery based on the TXT controller. Last time I did some tests with the sensors, being these sensors, touch sensors, and just under this camera the sonar. That mostly worked quite fine. What did not work quite fine was the signaling. The lamp does occasionally work. While testing it using ROBOPro, it does work. And the sound is still a problem. So I thought I would focus on sound now, and for that I will go with the ROBOPro firmware, the original firmware. Let's see how it starts. Another problem was that I used to have a lamp on this side between the battery pack and the controller. I removed that, and the first time it went quite well. The second time it didn't seem to matter because it went off again. Now this is all alright. So what I have to do now is select a network which isn't there yet. Well, that is a problem at this moment. So I can't log in yet, and that is a little bit problematic right now. Why isn't that network present? It should read the same as here in the display, and yeah, I move the lamp a little bit. Oh, and in the meantime the controller goes power off, and again power off, and I can assure you it's a fully charged battery. So let's see how this works. Right, and now you see on top of the display TXT 1680, and that is also the name of the network that should appear here. And now I can see it. So this should be taken up quite fast. Yes, there it is. Then login, and I'm in. Should go here as well. Another big question is, does the sound work at all? I have no clue. So first I will find, let's say, under the first condition, contact 1, which is, by the way, this is contact 1, and if touched it should sound like an airplane. So let me just do that. Lift by hand, otherwise it starts rolling. Well, there is not much going on. Alright, it doesn't go as planned in no single way. So let's do it again. Network error, just great. Now it says contact 2 is being touched. Alright, I'm okay with that, but which sound do I have with contact 2? Alarm. Well, needless to say, that didn't work. So I'm doing something else for a moment. A simple demo. Oh wait, that's not. I should run it. Yep. That is clearly audible. So why doesn't my code work? Yet again. Simplify my code. That's an option. What I'm going to do is copy simple demo. To contact sound test.py. The images can go out. Okay, I have now test motor. I have my regular discovery Python, which you can see here, and contact sound.py, which is exactly the same now for now as simple demo. So what do? I say edit contact sound. I do have to test if everything is working by. I think so. Yes, that is the same. Although here I have a little bit different, but since it works, it works. And what I do then is this while loop is different from here. Here there are no sensors. I do have, so I have to state this same thing. And let me see, where's my cursor? Here. Let me see how it works when I copy this. Right. All right. This does not work. That is really too bad. Well, that means that I have to type it all over, which is not nice. Even worse. Right, so let's see. I leave out the sonar. So right now it is contact one dot state, or no, that's all I do is 0, no contact 2. this part is already defined here, and I do not set speed because I don't need it to run. And I will comment. What am I doing now? Alright, I can't undo anyway. Let me quit and enter again. It leaves everything untouched, basically. So, yes, what I need to do is make everything the same. This command out, and then make sure while not motor has finished. That was the point. Command in, and here goes the if. Although this is a point as well, I have to indent everything. This is Python, and I hope the indentation is alright. And the if has to go here. So actually everything will be indented once again. So if contact 1.state is 1, the update can go, not needed anymore. And then what next? Then I go here, see whatever happens. Well, yeah, and this should be different, because this 3 will be 1. This line can go, and then it is waiting how this responds, and just for contact 1. So let's see how that happens. Here I quit because I have to see how things work. And here I say alright, run Python, and that's how I can do it. So let's see how this works out. Ouch. That runs a lot. That runs fast. Let's go here. Set distance is very much. Alright. So let's do this for I don't care, 10. And once again, testing it. There's still an update somewhere, yes. Here, no needed. Once again. Contact 1 is not defined. Alright, that means that I will have to quit here for a moment. Here, how is contact 1 being defined? TXT input 1, of course. And that has to be defined right here. Contact 1 is txt dot input 1. Very good. That should do it. So let's go in here. Quit here. I realize it's a bit confusing, but it's my way to test things. This should be it. Back to the robot. Testing. Okay, it is a bit too short, I think. Let's make it 100. I don't care. And once again. Perhaps I should not touch it before it actually runs. But still, it doesn't play sound. Well, contact state is 0. What is the original file actually? Here too, it does a set distance. So it has a set distance of 1000. So that's not other than I do. I should have, I could have kept it at 1000. So what's different? As long as this 0, that is only, that's almost the only thing that's different. And then if contact state is 1, do something. Is that different? Could be. Let me change this back to 1000. And run again. What happens? Why does it happen anyway? Something is not working anymore. It stops, yes, but I don't hear sound. I don't hear anything. Okay, let me then remove the sonar entirely. Alright, so for now it's goodbye to the sonar. And if this is also goodbye, then I will have to say indent. So only if the contact state is contact one state is 1, then oh, this doesn't make sense. Everything about D has to be commented out now. Only the definition can stay, and this is the definition. So let's see if this works. What is with this errors? Exception thread 1. That's something I don't understand. Okay, let me just see this one. Now I need to run Python. No problem here. And actually the programs are not that much different. But what is different? Is this different? Yes, it is. So if I leave this one out, what will happen now? Now that was very clear. It works. It simply works. Sound is doing everything it should do. So there's something about contact. Which is rather surprising, by the way. So what to do with this? No, I let this out. And I put this in. Shouldn't matter much, but who knows. Let's see. Motors. I press and nothing happens at all. Alright. and this is just ordinary testing and nothing else. Debugging. So once again, let me get that window over here so you can see something. So let's go. Oh, right. What is the unexpected indentation block? It expected a block. Yeah, it expected a block from this if. Alright. Let's go again. Am I too fast again? Okay, it clearly has a problem somewhere with this. But why? Alright, let me do something else. Here I have while contact 1 state is 0. Let me check. Let me just comment this out and see whatever this difference makes. If any, of course. I have to be really careful by now. So lifting it again, running, okay, that doesn't do much. Right, this one in, this one out, because there's no motor in it or something like that, and it runs for some time set. So while if, alright, let's do it like this. Whatever happens, happens. So it runs, I press, and nothing happens. Why? Let me insert just a print contact 1 something, and then print sound, whatever. I want to see where it is going. Oh, yeah, not clever. but it does mean that it goes into sound. It does mean it does go into sound, and that's important to know. So once again, see, it says contact, both contact and sound. So this is being signaled. The one the pressing, touching of the contact 1 is being detected because it says contact, as you can see here. And next, if sound is finished, it does print sound, so that is correct, but it doesn't play the sound. Exactly the same. So now I am going back to this one, and you have sound, and there's hardly anything different. For now, I'm completely clueless. I have no idea what to look for. Anyway, I'm out of time. Thank you for watching this investigative episode for sonar and touching and lack of sound in my own code, not in the demo code, because that obviously works. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Also follow me on Twitter and Instagram. Please donate to keep my blog and videos coming. Very much appreciated. And this is obviously going to be continued. If you want to donate, please visit my website, also for my other projects. And that's it for now. Bye bye.